what petting a dog can do for your brain. On one side of the room sits the cutest life-size squishy toy you've at any point seen. On the opposite side rests a genuine canine, same size, shape and, surprisingly, a similar name as the stuffed rendition. You get to sit close to both of these fleecy companions and pet their fur. Surmise which one will make your cerebrum illuminate. Big adorable eyes health SCN. People reared canines to have big adorable eyes. Assuming you speculated about the genuine canine, you're correct. Plush toys, as charming and cuddly as they might be, simply don't supercharge our cerebrum, the piece of the mind directing how we think and feel, as per another review distributed Wednesday in the Diary Polls 1. We decided to examine the cerebrum since this mind region is engaged with a few chief capabilities, like consideration, working memory, and critical thinking. In any case, it is likewise engaged with social and close-to-home cycles, said Concentrate on Lead creator Rahul Marty, a doctoral understudy in the Division of Clinical Brain Research and Creature Health Mediations at the College of Basel in Switzerland, in an email. For what reason is this seeing as significant? It gives extra proof that live-human-creature treatment communications might support mental and profound movement in the mind, Marty said. In the event that patients with shortfalls in inspiration, consideration, and socio-emotional working show higher close-to-home contribution in exercises associated with a canine, then such exercises could build the possibility of learning and of accomplishing remedial points, she said. This most recent review adds to existing exploration on the advantages of creature health treatment in restoratively managed brain recovery for sensory system conditions, for example, strokes, seizure problems, mind injury and diseases. This is a fascinating, thoroughly led concentration that gives new knowledge into the relationship between human-creature collaboration and territorial prefrontal mind action in solid grown-ups, said Dr. Tiffany Braley, an academic administrator of nervous system science at the College of Michigan in Ann Arbor, who has distributed research on the association between pet possession and mental well-being. Pets can support your intellectual ability, Concentrate on says. Albeit further work in bigger examples of individuals with explicit neurological circumstances is required, the FLOW study could educate future exploration regarding creature health meditations for neurorehabilitation by giving new information in regards to the kind, power, and recurrence of creature corporations important to accomplish wanted physiological or clinical advantages, said Braley, who was not engaged with the new examination. Specialists utilized useful close-infrared spectroscopy in the review, which is a compact cerebrum scanner that gives adaptability since it's utilitarian in normal settings and not restricted to a shut room in a lab. The strategy estimates mind movement by means of oxygen immersion of the blood in the cerebrum. Closer the better. The review group fitted every one of 19 members with the scanner and requested that they notice and collaborate with one of 3 live canines, a Jack Russell Terrier, a Goldendoodle and a Brilliant Retriever. In the first place, the members watched the canine from across the room. Then, at that point, the canine sat close to them. At long last, every individual was permitted to pet the canine. This interaction happened 2 times more at later dates. Petting a live canine supercharged action in the piece of the cerebrum that controls thinking and profound responses, the review found. Petting a live canine supercharged action in the piece of the mind that controls thinking and profound responses, the review found. In different meetings, every individual rehashed the very succession with an extravagant stuffed lion that contained a boiling water container to reenact the internal heat level of a live canine. In every one of the situations, cerebrum excitement rose as the canine or plush toy drew nearer. We found that mind action expanded when the contact with the canine or a rich creature turned out to be nearer. This affirms past investigations connecting nearer contact with creatures or control upgrades with expanded cerebrum initiation, Marty said. Notwithstanding, the review found a much more grounded support in mind movement when the individual petted the fur of a genuine canine versus the squishy toy. We figure close-to-home contribution may be a focal hidden system of mind enactment in human-creature collaborations, Marty said, adding that the toy probably set off less love. The outcomes reflect discoveries by different specialists, who found more cerebrum action when members associated with live hares, guinea pigs, felines, canines, and ponies, she said. Positive nonverbal signs and equal communications given by a living creature could to a limited extent make sense of this distinction.